So in this video again we'll do some basic pandas practices to know our dataset better. So this is the dataset that I'll be using for this video. This is u.user video, and I've got this video from this link. I'll give you this link in the description. So let's start the code. Okay, so first is see the first 25 entries, and our dataset is users. So users dot head 25, and it's done. Then it says see the last 10 entries, and to see the last 10 entries we use the tails function. So users the dot tail 10, it gives us the last 10 rows. Now what is the number of observation in the dataset? Do that using shape function. So shape, then it says what is the number of columns in the dataset. For that, shape of 1, it gives us number of column, which is 4. Then print the name of all columns. We do that using the columns keyword. Okay, then it says how is the dataset indexed. So users dot index. Then it says what is the data type of the each column. We do that using d type. So users dot d type, it will be d types, sorry. Okay, now it says print only the occupation. So for that, users dot occupation, because the column name is occupation, so we'll simply write users dot occupation. Okay, then it says how many different occupations are in the dataset. So how many mean we have to count the values. So users dot occupation dot in unique. So 21 different unique occupations we have. So it says what is the most frequent occupation, right? For that, users dot occupation dot value counts. Then we need the first row with index 0, and it gives us the most frequent occupation, which is student. Then it says summarize the data frame. We do that using describe keyword. It's a function, so I have to give the function. Okay, then it says summarize all the columns. To summarize all the columns, what do we do? Users dot describe, will add include all. It will summarize all the columns. Then it says summarize only the occupation column. For that, users dot occupation dot describe, and it's done. Then it says what is the mean age of users. For that, we'll use users dot age dot mean. It gives us 34, and as age can't be of in fraction, so we need to write that into a write function. So it gives us 34. Then it says what is the age with least occurrence. For that, users dot age dot value counts function with from end, so tail. So 73, 10, 11, 66, 7. So these are the least occurrence of edges. So that's it. Thanks for watching.